Hello dear traders, I'm Akif Mateen. I'm welcoming you all to watch the video, and here in this video we are going to tell you about how the gold pair may respond in between today and the coming days. Previously in our YouTube and also in TradingView we have shared our analysis on both of the liquidation zone, like where the bullish liquidity could activate and where the bearish liquidity can activate. And we have seen that it has activated the bearish liquidity on 21st of April. Well, at that day, our sell entry triggered, but with some, when we actually saw that, okay, the thing will elongate, so we just put a little bit of profit, like with level we just closed the level, and actually we never provided our signal on the last Friday. But Friday, what happens is that when the elongation actually been paused and then it reverted back, there had been some opportunity to put a sell from 1940. But what happens is that at 1940 level you see some shaky movement happens. Let me zoom a little bit so that you all can understand. Okay, so that's what we were telling, that at 1940 levels, as you can see, the market actually reacted both shaky behavior along this side, and it eventually go to our target level at 1915. But on Monday, on today 25th of April. So basically, if we hold up on the trade, it could have been profit, but make no worries, because the opportunity will eventually come, and all we need to do is just to grab it at a good and right time. So moving on, let's have a look at how market may react in the upcoming times. So let's have a look to it. So this zone is a very critical zone in a sense. How? Let me show you. Like uh, at 1940, this was our bullish liquidity activated zone, and from 1940, it was our bearish liquidity activated zone, and 1960 it was our bullish liquidity activated zone. So what happened is that market eventually didn't touched, reverted back, activated it, then it been traveled a little bit while, then it reacted, then some zigzag happens, then again reacted. So we are expecting again some zigzag happens, then react again. Now, what happens is that what we are seeing, that the price may move to this level 19. It's, let me watch it. It's 191. Sorry, it's 1880 level if and only if it breaks this level 1905. But what happens is that when the high liquidity market like gold, what we can see is that we have some various options to evaluate the opportunities over here. Like this could be an option that it will go down to straight to this level at 1880, or the market will reverse a little bit back, create some structures, and gather some confidence that the market will go bull up to this level, to this level, and this level, and so on. And then it happens. So we are expecting these two factors for gold for the upcoming week. So it will be better not to consider any kind of buy entry from the high. I still tell you, it's not recommended. So better, if you, even if you buy, which is actually not our, in our book for the upcoming week, because we are saying that there's a strong sellers who actually shifted back the market, quite a little bit, and the patterns actually saying that it will continue. and there are some alternative scenario too, that how and when it can go bullish. Well, here's the deal. Let me just change it a little bit. So, you know, if the price goes this way, then this, then this, and then I'll have some heavy spikes, then if this is the case, then only the market can go buy, and it must need to cross this vital 1965 level. Just remember it, 1965 level is a very vital level for gold if you want to buy. And before that, for any higher level, if you find it, you can layer your bearish entry. But for some reasons, as expect low liquidity movement, we actually avoid uh, to trade on Monday. So today is not our trading day, at least our intraday trading. I will not continue for today, so we can't give you any signals. But even if I do, uh, there are some little opportunities. I will show you that later on. So we will continue our trades on Tuesday, because Monday, you know two or three things can happen. Let me show you in a smaller time frame. Let's go to 1 hour first. Later on, I'll tell you. Okay, here as we can see that there's an opportunity that the price may go to close to maybe this level, okay, and even higher, this level, create some spikes, gather some buyers, and then again it may go sell, test it, then again gain some confidence that will go buy, spike, then buy, then go sell. So this is the scenario we're expecting. So if you want to take a buy, then for today this could be a little bit of your buy shot, which I guess could be valid from 1925 to only 193, only 50 pips. That would be just safe 50 pips you can get today for the market, because in 1930 or 35 level, there is a high chance that it may create some spikes, stop hunts some of the sellers, and then it can go later on, it can go back to bearish. So this can happen, because this level 1940 is a very very vital level. Let me remind you once again. So 1940, as long as the market stays below 1940, the high it gets, and the RSI, if it goes the above zone or even the middle zone, you can have a quick sell move. How? Let me show you a little bit. For scalping, you just can use M5 charts, and let's just say for this case, the market will go to at least maybe this zone 1923. It's 1919. So it's kind of like what 40 pips move. So if you want to take it, you can take it. It's a small scalping setup, but I would not recommend these, because anytime anything can happen. As you can see, as long as we are convinced to make a buy entry, the market actually reverted back. So in this kind of zone, we call it a tension zone to all my students. So in these tension zones, anything can happen. You can actually read the picture of the market, what it's gonna be from these tension zones, but not engage in. You know, you cannot engage in in something without actually making sure that how it's gonna respond, right? So this is what actually we are looking for on Monday. So we will watch the market today, and we will let you know how it's gonna go react. But before that, as you can see, we have shared you a little while before, the market is so bearish to us, and to some extent I guess it will react bearish too. And if it crosses 1905, my friends, don't wait for my signal. You can actually engage in some sell entries, and target will be initially 1885 and 1880. could be the ultimate target level for bearish side. So that's all we can get to you for now. So thanks all for watching the video. If you like it, our video, please hit the like button and also subscribe us, and you can contact us anytime with any of your queries, or any of your suggestions, or any of your advice, or any kind of input, or any collaboration. So I'm actually looking forward to it. So that's all for now. So thank you all. Have a nice day.